Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to Science Club with BASF. I'm Lily. I'm here with Kelly Liberator from BASF. Today, we're going to demonstrate how clouds make rain in this simple and fun to watch experiment. You'll need shaving cream, a jar filled with water, and food coloring.
Clouds are a collection of very tiny water droplets or ice crystals that float in the air together. They're able to float because they're so small and light. Rain forms when they all start combining together and grow too big and heavy to stay up in the air.
I've got our jar filled with water.
Great. Now cover the top with a cloud of shaving cream. Drop food coloring into the cloud until the color starts raining into the water below. This is how rain works too. The water, like the food coloring, collects in the cloud until there's too much. It leaks through, forming rain.
We want to see your clouds. Show us your project or just send us some cool cloud pics on facebook.com/ABC11 Science Club. You'll also find this full experiment plus some cool educational facts about clouds at abc11.com/science club. Thanks for watching Science Club with BASF.